Students, I myself, Dr. Bikke Mahanti, welcome you for this session. Now our topic is basic concepts of chemistry. Before going to basic concepts of chemistry, you should know first what is chemistry. Chemistry काहा कुआ जाए? Chemistry बा रासायनिक विज्ञान. ओडिया ता कुआ जाए रासायनिक विज्ञान. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science. It is the branch of science which deals with composition, structure, and properties of matter. Then जे स्टडी करिबो साइंस ओरे साइंस जे स्टडी करियो कंपोजिशन स्ट्रक्चर प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द मैटर दैट इज कॉल्ड केमिस्ट्री. इट ओरे पार्ट ऑफ साइंस composition structure and properties of the matter. Then before going what is matter, then we'll study what is matter. Matter का कुआ जिवो matter जेको जिनस फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज ए मैटर ताले में जानियो केमिति एनीथिंग व्हिच इज मास आर जी मास अछि एंड ऑक्युपाई स्पेस अछि एवं मास अछि ताले सेटा कुआ जीवो मैटर. ताले एवरीथिंग अराउंड अस इज मैटर. सो दिस इज आल्सो मैटर बिकॉज इट इज मास एंड ऑक्युपाई सम स्पेस. देन जे एनीथिंग व्हिच हैज मास anything which has mass mean mass thibo mass and occupies space. दुईटा कथा mass and space is called matter. It's called matter. खाली मैटर आम आखिर देखा बुक गोटे एग्जांपल एनीथिंग अराउंड अस बुक आर अच्छी मास अच्छी इट ऑक्युपाई स्पेस. पेन जो पेन लिखुची वर्तमान ये पेन भितर इट इज मास अच्छी इट ऑक्युपाई सम स्पेस. आगे रखे गोटे स्पेस नौ इट ऑक्युपाई सम स्पेस. पेन पेंसिल अराउंड मेनी अराउंड जिते दिन वाटर एयर. So air and living things, all living beings are called matter. ताले what is chemistry जान लो तब जाना matter जहाँ तरह mass अच्छी और space अच्छी तब कहा जाए matter. तब then we go to the states of matter. कितने प्रकार matter हमारा state अच्छी states of matter. States of matter जे कौन सी वर्तमान आम देखुं यहाँ इट इज ए मैटर बट इट इज ए सॉलिड. तीन स्टेट वन इज सॉलिड स्टेट देन वी गो टू द लिक्विड स्टेट and gaseous state. ताले गोटे मैटर जे कौन सी मैस को हम करबा gaseous state liquid gas solid liquid gas. it is solid state ले liquid state gas तान कोटे solid आखिर हम देखुं दिस इज solid. तान solid है particles are very close together. solid is all the particles तान जो particle गुड़ा अच्छी लागी अच्छे जे strong अच्छे particles are very close. Particles very close to each other and arranged orderly fashion arranged orally regular orally fashion orally वाले रही सब arrangement symmetrical भाव रही क्योंकि these particles these liquid state अला these particles are close together particles are close together but they can move around but they can move around खाली टिके बुलुवे चारिपटे they can move around then very close to each other arranged oral fashion these particles are close together but they can move around चारिपटे एमती मूव करथिबे gaseous state allow the particles are far apart the particles are far apart बहुत छड़ा छड़ा एक रही particle so they far apart रहिला so they can easily the movement of particles and the movement of particles in very easy movement is very easy से बहुत सहज रे से माने मूवमेंट करि परिबे ये मूवमेंट करिया बहुत अराउंड इज स्लोली बट ही कैन नॉट मूव arrange oral fashion therefore three states solid state liquid state gaseous state also solid state we may say have definite shape and definite volume it has definite volume and definite shape बुझे दो देखा definite volume and this is a solid state you keep it here so volume and shape आगुन change हो कि change हो नहीं shape remain as such ये तो shape टा से बड़ा रहूची से बे रखा जाए solid state shape definite volume and definite shape किंतु liquid state रे आम ग्लास से पानी आनिबा ताको गड़े दबा ता shape टा बदल जिवो किंतु volume टा रहिबो सेया volume remains same definite volume it has definite volume but no definite shape मतलब वाटर गोटे कंटेनर रखिछ ता ढाई दबा फ्लोर ढाई दबा एटा बोही जीवो शेप टा बदली गेला एठी तला ग्लास भीतर दिला एनी बाहर पड़ेला किंतु एठी हला वॉल्यूम डेफिनाइट किंतु गैस रे कहला नो डेफिनाइट वॉल्यूम and no definite shape and जार shape नहीं कि वॉल्यूम नहीं डेफिनाइट गैस टा में नेले टिके ना गैस नेले गोटे बटल भीतर रखिदबा से गैस टा कौन करिया बटल वॉल्यूम टा को नहीं जीवो तान वॉल्यूम तार भी डेफिनाइट नुहे शेप भी डेफिनाइट नुहे तान तीनटा स्टेट सॉलिड स्टेट लिक्विड स्टेट गैसियस स्टेट इन द सॉलिड स्टेट द पार्टिकल्स are very close together liquid states particles are close together but they move around चारों ओर बुलिबे एठी कोन अब the particles बहुत दूर दूर अछन so they can particles move very easy but movement of particles very easy so this is gaseous state example is solid you any solid any example you made solid I mean नहीं परिबा book is solid book wood like this water tunnel what is a liquid ice is a solid gas carbon dioxide gas oxygen gas example air these are the all are three states solid liquid gas then we'll go to classification method it is states of matter what is matter do we have states of matter then classification method classification of matter classification of matter classification of matter in the classification of matter you take first mixture here is pure substance. First classified two types, mixture and pure substances. Mixture and pure substances. Pure substance. Mixture is two types, homogeneous, another is heterogeneous. With a homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Pure substance, with an element and compound. Element, another is compound. ताले क्लासिफिकेशन मेथड हमने ले मिक्सचर प्योर सब्सटेंस, मिक्सचर प्योर सब्सटेंस, मिक्सचर डिवाइड होमोजेनियस, heterogeneous, pure substance is element and compound. So first we define what is mixture. The mixture is a mixture containing a mixture का क्या जीवा mixture containing two or more substances present in any ratio, जे कौन सी रेशियो मिसई दे पारिबा in any ratio जगह मिक्सचर. एक एग्जांपल ताले बुझी पारिबो, चीनी पानी, सुगर वाटर, सुगर मिसई दियो, सुगर प्लस वाटर, जे कौन सी प्रोपोर्शन मिसाओ. So this is the mixture of sugar and water. Sugar is solute, water is the solvent. ताल सुगर वाटर मिसेले जोटा हैला सेरो कजे मिक्सचर एनी प्रोपोर्शन हम टिके मिसेले हबो बेसी मिसेई परिबा तान ता कजे मिक्सचर. किंतु हमर mixture two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous हैला, this is homogeneous completely mixed with each other when the components completely mix कर जो, completely mixed together, completely and having uniform composition, and the composition is uniform. दीटा कथा, composition is uniform. ताले uniform composition है तो आ component टा completely mix कर थो, तान सही तो क्या जो homogeneous. चीनी पानी अब मिसे दले हमें देखिबा हमें एपड़ देखले पूरा मिस जावा अलग करि परिबानी तन से जो केसटा हला that is called components completely mixed together and composition uniform, that is called homogeneous. Example is sugar water, sugar plus water. चीनी पानी हम जो खाउ पिउचंदी ताको मध्य हम कहबा homogeneous. किंतु heterogeneous is completely mixed together, they mix paribeni. Eta hochi not mix each other. They cannot mix. The component are mixibeni. Suppose sand water mixei delo. Sand plus water. Bali nela pani mixei delo. Tal balta kon alga rahila, pani ta alga rahila. Then that is a mixture. Any composition mixei pariba. But this is the called heterogeneous. What is homogeneous mixture and what is heterogeneous mixture? Pure substance they have fixed composition. Pure substances are the substances which have fixed composition. The composition is fixed. They vary. Example, gold, silver, copper. These are pure substances. Copper, example, glucose. These are some examples of pure substance. But here there is no fixed composition. But here the composition is fixed. Difference between pure substance and mixture. But again, pure substance divided two types: elements and compounds. Elements are contain only one type of particles. Elements contain ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ पार्टिकल भांगी भांगी गले आम से जिन पाइबा टाइप ऑफ पार्टिकल्स फॉर एग्जांपल आयरन जब आयरन को भांगी 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 जीवा आम विल गेट ओनली आयरन आउ किसी पाइबानी सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एलिमेंट गोल्ड गोल्ड टाइप भांगी 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 जीवा वी शुड गेट गोल्ड ओनली दिस वन टाइप डिफरेंट टाइप पार्टिकल पाइबानी जब गोटे टाइप पार्टिकल पाइला से कह एलिमेंट किंतु कंपाउंड है पुणी एलिमेंट आम ना एलिमेंट आम कह एटम एंड मॉलिक्यूल the particles these particles one type particles elements may be atoms and molecules may be atoms or molecules element को हम तक करि परिबा दिबारे atoms or molecules atom is the smallest particle of an atom element atom is the smallest particle is the smallest particle of an element which can exist now which can take part in chemical reaction the chemical reaction smallest particle भाग नवा in the chemical reaction से रखा जो atom Atom is the smallest particle of an element which can take part in chemical reaction. And the molecule is the type of atom molecule. Molecule is the smallest particle which can exist in free state example बुझी पारिबो in free state suppose oxygen you take oxygen टाको भांगी भांगी जीवा we should get oxygen molecule first पाइबा O2 molecule एटा free state O2 वाला molecule it exists in free state free state रहिला जेटा कहजिबो molecule जो ताको पुनी भांगीबा हम पाइबा O टाला एटम ये जो O atom takes part in chemical reaction ये टाला free state since this exists in free state and this exists in chemical reaction take part difference between oxygen molecule and atom compound तार बुझला एटम कौन मॉलिक्यूल कौन कंपाउंड what is compound when two or more atoms are different elements when two or more different atoms the same atom thila different atoms of an element combine in a fixed ratio combine in fixed ratio सेमती जमी मन इच्छा हो पारे गोटे फिक्स्ड रेशियो इज कॉल्ड कंपाउंड एग्जांपल इट इज दैट कंपाउंड फॉर ए वाटर इज ए कंपाउंड एग्जांपल H2O is a why this is called compound? It is called compound because it contains two different elements. One is it contains two first different elements. If it contains two different elements, what are they? Different elements, they are hydrogen and oxygen. So these are different element पाइले गोटे hydrogen और oxygen and form a मिसिगले proportion वाला hydrogen 1:2:16 equal to 1 or 1:8 ratio. Ratio is 1:8 ratio यदि combine कर ले it form water. So it contains two different atoms combined together in a fixed ratio of 1:8. Hence this is called water. Then it is called what is called compound. Similarly ammonia. is a compound. Calcium carbonate is a compound. So these are some of the examples of compound. And the elemental compound, atom difference देखा, atom बांध जदि हवा, hydrogen टा कहाँ H is called atom. Hydrogen atom बने H2 is called molecule, hydrogen molecule. These are about atom, molecule, compound, pure substance. So much. Then we'll go the properties of matter. Properties of matter. Properties of matter. ताले प्रथम कहले व्हाट इज मैटर, तब देन गो स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मैटर, देन प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मैटर. टू प्रॉपर्टीज, वन इज फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, फिजिकल केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. तीन प्रॉपर्टी, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी इज मेजर्ड, इट इज मेजर्ड without changing the composition, changing the composition of matter. आमे composition matter को change न करिकी आमे measure करिया physical. Suppose example melting point examples are melting point, boiling point, density measurement, density, color, etc. ये जो स्टडी करिवा, this is physical property. And chemical property है when a chemical change occurs, when a chemical change occurs. So the chemical change occurs the property is measured, the property is measured are called chemical properties. So physical properties, chemical properties. Suppose reaction kala hydrogen plus oxygen, H2 plus O2, it form water. So this is called chemical property, study of combustible. Hydrogen combined with oxygen form water. So this is the chemical properties. Only measuring a boiling point, melting point, density, color, solubility, एवरा को आ जाए हमारा physical properties. These are the physical properties. Then measurements. किमिति मापिबा सबु को यूनिट रे. Then we'll go to the SI units. SI units by MK system. There are system MK, CGS system. Meter, kilogram system, centimeter, gram system. SI base units are mainly fundamental basis. SI base units are one is length in mappa jai length what is length mappa. This is length mapila the centimeter map pariba kimba meter map pariba. Length can be measured, is called SI system re length is called L tak kha jaye ta formula L और unit है को unit is meter m. This is called meter. M is meter. Length पर mass तब कहा जाए m. Mass m. Its unit is kg, kilogram. Kg डाला kilogram और हमें तो small unit है gram. Commonly SI unit is called kilogram. It is called kilogram. The meter. Time तो कहला T. If the length है L, mass है m टाइम t ता यूनिट है हमारा सेकेंड s रखा सेकेंड SEC सेकेंड पूरा रखा सेकेंड ताल गोटे लेंथ मास टाइम इलेक्ट्रिक current that is called I मपा हुए एम्पियर ए कह जाए ए that is called एम्पियर इलेक्ट्रिक current आला एम्पियर then temperature mainly in chemistry I mean as a thermodynamical temperature thermodynamical temperature is called capital T, it is called T, and the unit is K like Kelvin. The amount of substance, then temperature, the amount of substance is called amount of substance तो कहला n तक मपा जाए हमारा मोल MOL it is called mole जानिए पछार मोल कौन पछार कहबी amount of substance then luminous intensity सातटा कथा में दिया है तुम पे that is IV it is called candela CD candela. So these are some of the measurements we can make by SI units: length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Then go mass and weight. Okay, what is the difference mass and weight? Mass and weight. The same, whether same or different. Comparing mass and weight. Mass is substance, define mass, mass is a substance, mass of a substance is defined is the amount of matter present in it कितने amount अच्छी present in it and it is constant जुआरे बापिले mass vary करिबा नहीं it is constant ताले mass is the amount of substance present in it यार ओजन केते जो को एठी मापो कि आउरी जगह मापो बा जो कोन जगह मापो mass remain constant but weight is it is force exerted by gravity on an object वो भी यही सिटी on an object it may vary from one place to other it can vary from one place to other जे constant ये तार vary करे one place to other. So this is the difference between mass and weight. Our unit is called SI unit 1 kg kilogram. SI unit. ताले mass है then कितना term chemistry जानिया पड़ेगा mass कौन weight कौन both रहो unit है kilogram but mass remain constant but the weight doesn't remain constant it can vary plus one place to other place. Then we have to study volume. What is volume? सिंपल वॉल्यूम जी मास जानले केतना टर्म जान वॉल्यूम मन कर आर गोटे वॉल्यूम मापिबा वॉल्यूम माने लेंथ ब्रेथ इनटू हाइट बा जब समान हैला लेंथ मन कर क्यूब क्यूब लेंथ जा ब्रेथ तले एल एटा मध्य लेंथ एटी मध्य लेंथ एटी मध्य लेंथ सो द यूनिट विल बी व्हाट विल बी द यूनिट वॉल्यूम हैला पिला हम जानि पारियो वॉल्यूम यूनिट कौन हम वॉल्यूम यूनिट इज लेंथ एल कोइ लेंथ तो ब्रेथ तो जाउ छ डिस्टेंस एल एल इनटू एल इनटू एल इज इक्वल टू एल क्यूब the L cube means volume will be unit will be SI unit meter cube m cube m मतलब meter into meter into meter this is meter into meter into meter so this is meter cube also volume can be done centimeter जदि करा हबो ताले centimeter into जदि लेंथ centimeter ला centimeter into centimeter into centimeter that is called CJ system or CMQ किंतु SI system है ला MQ meter cube CMQ cubic centimeter or this is called cubic centimeter this is called CC or this is called CC cubic centimeter so cubic meter also we can measure the volume in liter volume can measure liter हम कौन जानते हैं कोई दुकान गले हम जो लीटर जानते तेल आने लीटर आनती 1 liter you should remember that 1 liter is equal to 1 dm cube वो लीटर जा 1 decimeter cube तने 1 liter is equal to कितने cubic centimeter पे देखिबा 1 dm is equal to 10 centimeter so 1 liter will be 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter that is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter then 1 liter jaha 1000 cc seya ba milliliter hele or we may write 1000 milliliter then this is the volume can measure like this now question simple question I will ask you a jug contain 2 liters of milk a jug contains 2 liters of milk गोटे जग रे 2 liter milk अच्छी milk calculate the volume calculate the volume in meter cube किमिति मीटर क्यूब आम बाहर करवा ताल पिला देख गोटे लिटर जा 1 dm कि छया ताल dm into dm decimeter into dm is equal to liter that is called dm cube which is called liter ताल आमे we should first find out the relationship between meter and dm meter means it is 1 decimeter gote meter or 10 decimeter so 1 by 10 meter into 1 by 10 meter into 1 by 10 meter so this is equal to 1 dm cube is equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube or this is equal 10 to minus 3 m cube ताने 1 dm cube जहा 1 liter से तो dm cube is equal to 10 to power 1 dm cube is equal to 10 to power 3 meter cube 10 to power minus 3 meter cube so hence 2 liter is there so 2 liter will be 2 liters milk will be 2 into 10 to power minus 3 meter cube answer will be 2 into 10 minus 3 1 liter la 1 10 to minus 3 m cube so 2 liter will be 2 into 10 minus 3 power m cube then जो 2 liter means जहाँ 2 into 10 to minus 3 meter cube से या तो डेंसिटी क्यों मापा जाए डेंसिटी डेंसिटी mass by volume, mass by volume unit केमती बाहर is called density. The ratio of mass to volume is called density. So mass is kg. Dense volume कहली volume in the SI system meter cube. So the unit of density will be kg or kg meter to -3, m -3. Since it is quite large, we may take gram नहीं परिवा, we may take gram g cm -3. So it is gram cm रे नहीं परिवा. जेहेतु बहुत large सेटा उसी में नहीं परिवा. Then temperature गोटे है आम जान ले mass, volume, density, then we will go to temperature. Temperature रे मापिला simple temperature Celsius scale गोटे अच्छी Celsius है ये डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड Celsius रहला ये डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड को जाता Celsius scale. Celsius जेटा था common Celsius generally Celsius scale टा is called degree centigrade. Remain 0 degree to 100 degree thai commonly. Common generally remain 0 to 100 degree centigrade scale. क्योंकि केमिस्ट्री में देखा थर्मोडायनेमिकली जो तौर नबा थर्मोडायनेमिकली में स्टडी करिवा थर्मोडायनेमिकली नला बेल को हमको नौ पड़िवो थर्मोडायनेमिकली we may taken the temperature is Kelvin K. Out scale अछि Fahrenheit F A H R E N H I T Fahrenheit scale जो रखा जाए ये रखा जाए F डिग्री K डिग्री लिखा हुआ है खाली K ताले टेम्परेचर में जाए सेल्सियस स्केल फाइनाइट स्केल थर्मोडायनेमिकल स्केल तो कहे केल्विन जो कहते इलेक्ट्रिसिटी केल्विन स्केल इट इज कॉल्ड K केल्विन स्केल. वो रिलेशन बिटवीन पकड़ वन क्वेश्चन सिंपल क्वेश्चन रिलेशन बिटवीन सेंटीग्रेड एंड फाइनाइट स्केल. Relation between R value is remain common general equation is remain value is 32 to 212 degree भीतर रहे common generally remain 32 to 200 এটা 0 to 100. Relation between F and C relation between F and C relation between F and C. A finite scale, centigrade scale. So this is equal to C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Suppose we have to make 40 degree, convert 40 degree centigrade to finite scale, to F scale, to F. कितने F होगा? 40 degree centigrade can be converted to how many finite scale? So put the value. CL centigrade, 40. 40 by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Or 5F minus 160 is equal to 360. What do you mean? 5F is equal to 360 plus 160. So this is equal to 520. So F will be कितने फाइनाइट है? डिवीजन कर दो 104 F. ताले 40 degree centigrade is equal to 104 Fahrenheit. आम जो ज्वर मापा जाए ज्वर मापला आम देखो फाइनाइट स्केल मापा जाए टेम्परेचर मापते बॉडी रे 94.4 एटा फाइनाइट. ये डिग्री फाइनाइट केते डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड हबो तुम पे क्वेश्चन देगला तुम करी लिखिबो केते कन्वर्सन करबो केते हबो बोली. ताले दिस इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale. You can convert this. In chemistry, we can use thermodynamically Kelvin scale. K, Kelvin. Centigrade scale is 15 degree centigrade given you. Make it Kelvin scale. Kelvin convert करला बड़े हम तो खाली 273 मिशे दबा 273 plus 15 is called Kelvin. That will be 288 K. General formula is Kelvin of T भितरे centigrade भितरे 273 plus C T simple T. It all is Celsius scale. Celsius scale ले हमारे कल temperature. Suppose 20 degree centigrade converted Kelvin scale. 20 degree centigrade will be 20 degree centigrade will be 273 plus 20 that is equal to 293 K. So this is the Kelvin scale temperature. Then we'll go to the method विषय में कहले what is method. Then go to the method classification method, dimensions of the method, properties of the method. Now, what is laws of chemical combination? Then we go to the laws of, very important, laws of chemical combination. Chemical combination. As a problem भी अच्छी, number problems परीक्षा में पढ़े बहुत समय. Laws of chemical combination. The combination of elements, the combination of elements to form compounds, to form जो एलिमेंट कंबाइन करी कंपाउंड फॉर्म करिवो एल्फॉर्मेशन कंपाउंड इज गवर्नड बाय द फॉलोइंग रूल्स इज गवर्नड by the following rules यही रूल ले हमरो करिब को रूल रा काम करिब देखिबा व्हाट आर द रूल्स फर्स्ट इज law of conservation of mass. First is law of conservation of mass. Number 1, law of conservation of mass. मैं बड़ा discussion जो करी भी first I am writing law of conservation of mass, law of definite proportion, law of definite proportion, law of multiple proportion, law of multiple proportion, Number 4, law of reciprocal proportion, law of reciprocal proportion. 5 is law of gaseous volumes, law of individual तापर discussion करिबी law of gaseous volume. तन जत्ते बड़े एलिमेंट कॉम्बिनेशन करिवे टू फॉर्म कंपाउंड यही रूल फॉलो करी कंपाउंड फॉर्म करिवे. फर्स्ट विल स्टडी नंबर 1 दैट इज लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास. और 5टा लॉ फॉलो करछि मेनली. फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास, लॉ ऑफ conservation of mass, law of conservation of mass. Example problem कही it state that method, so the method can neither be created nor destroyed. गोटे मेथड क्रिएशन हो पारे कि डिस्ट्रॉय हो नॉट बी डिस्ट्रॉयड. neither created nor destroyed. Simple way we can explain this. Suppose A plus B form C plus D. A plus B is called reactant, C plus D is called product. According to law of conservation of mass, it states that matter can neither be created nor be destroyed. Suppose this reactant is 5 gram, it will be 6 gram. In the reactant side, that is 11 gram. The product side must be 11 gram. If it is 8 gram D is produced, C will be 3 gram. So matter neither created nor destroyed. Simple way examples by heating calcium carbonate. By heating calcium carbonate, we will heat kariba. We will get calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Suppose you take this will be 10 grams. It is 4.4 gram. So what will be the amount of calcium oxide? So the amount is 10 gram is there. Here is 4.4 gram is there. Automatically, I told you matter neither created nor destroyed. So it is 10 gram means 10 gram must be 10 gram. So 10 minus 4.4, that will be 5.6 gram will be calcium oxide. So this is the law of definite proportion. Then we will study law of definite proportion. We'll go. That is law of conservation of mass. Now we will study law of definite proportion. The same compound always contain the same compound always contain the same elements combined together same fixed proportion by mass. Simply you can explain the same compound always contain the same element. Suppose carbon dioxide there. Carbon dioxide is CO2. Carbon dioxide is a compound. What is a compound? So carbon and oxygen, two different elements combined there in a fixed proportion. CO2, carbon dioxide. It contains two elements, carbon and oxygen. These elements are carbon and oxygen. Contain the same element first. This carbon dioxide we can prepare by different methods. By heating calcium carbonate, we get experimentally we can find out CaO plus carbon dioxide gas, a solid. So this gas we can prepare by heating calcium carbonate. Other method, by burning of carbon with oxygen, CO, we get carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide paile, here you also get carbon dioxide. In this way, two different carbon dioxide but the same composition there. Here is the ratio is 12:32. Here is also carbon dioxide, carbon 12:32. That is 3:8 or 3:8. So ratio means fixed proportion by waste. आम जो बाटे मेथड पाए पछे आम गैस टा जो बाटे तैयारी करू किंबा रेशियो ऑफ कार्बन ऑक्सीजन ऑलवेज इज 3:8. Similarly water, we may get different sources. It contains two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. आम वाटर को विभिन्न वे में तैयारी कर परिबा. So but the always same compound, the water contains same element, that is hydrogen and oxygen combined together is 2:6 16, that is 1:8. Water joke and water composition is 1:8. So one problem is there. I am writing on this one problem. Suppose in the first experiment we get 1.375 gram of copper oxide question problem is there, reduced by hydrogen is reduced by hydrogen, and the weight of copper is 1.098 gram. Second experiment, 1.179 gram of copper heated with nitric acid, give 1.476 gram of cupric oxide, so that this obey law of definite proportion. केमिति हम करिवा सेटा law of definite proportion. But it is a compound of copper and oxygen. It is also copper and oxygen. So you have to find out the amount of copper and oxygen. First, weight of copper oxide is given to you. The weight of copper oxide is given 1.375 gram. And weight of copper is, first experiment, weight of copper is given to you 1.098. There is 1.375, it is 1.098. So weight of oxygen will be, copper oxide is there, copper is there. So this minus this is equal to 1.375 minus 1.098 is equal to, so this is equal to 0.277. So ratio of oxygen and copper in the first experiment, ratio of copper to oxygen कर दो असुविधा है. Copper to oxygen will be 1.098, 0.277, 1.098 by 0.277. This is equal to 3.96. In the second experiment, weight of copper is given, copper 1.179, copper oxide is 1.476. The oxide, copper and oxygen is there, only copper. So weight of oxygen is, weight of oxygen कितना होता है 1.476 minus 1.179, that is equal to 0.297. So ratio of copper and oxygen, the ratio of copper to oxygen, second experiment, ratio of copper to oxygen will be 1.179 by 0.297, this is equal to approximately 3.96. So the ratio here 3.96, here is 3.96. So you obey law of definite proportion. Oh, thank you all. for a patient hearing.